Heaven, holy be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread,
and forgive
do not
us.
bring us into test, but deliver us from evil.
Amen. Alright, thank you, Ayat. A very good morning to all of you children. Welcome to your social studies class. We were doing the
Good morning,
lesson What
ma'am.
Parents Do for Us. Good morning, Sanvi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We are doing the lesson What Parents Do for Us. Okay? Now, the other day, you all told me that you spend time with your parents play with you, they give you all the necessities, all the requirements, they fulfill all your needs, they take care of you, mommy cooks food for you. When you're sick, when you're ill, she takes care of you, right? Your father, he brings all the things from the market for you. Mommy and Papa sometimes they go for shopping. Yes, whatever you want, they bring for you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Which page number?
They provide you with everything that you need. In some families, father, mother both are working. In some families, only the fathers are working, the mothers are homemakers जो घर पे रहती हैं, the housewives, right? Then you
Good
have the
morning.
elders of the Good morning, Ria. You have the elders in some families, you have the elders
Ma'am, good
that
morning, ma'am.
good morning. In some
Good
families, you
morning.
have
Excuse me,
ritual good
ma'am. Which page
morning.
number?
Ayat, page number 32. Page number 32, what parents do for us, social studies.
Ma'am, page number is
क्रिस
equal.
क्रिस्टोफर, आपको ध्यान देना है, मैम ने कितनी बार पेज नंबर बताया अभी? पेज नंबर 32. Nipun, sit straight, put the pencil down and pay attention. In some families, there are elders, your grandparents, they take care of you, they tell you stories, bedtime stories, they tell you when you're going to bed, they tell you a lot of other good things. They must be sharing all their joys with you, they must be telling you a lot of things about their own childhood when they were small. Some of the families where the grandparents are there, दादा दादी नाना नानी, वो लोग आपको बताते होंगे क्या क्या चीज़ें उन लोगों ने अपने चाइल्डहुड में करी. They must be sharing with you a lot of things. Yes. Now, you as children, you also have some responsibility towards the family. You are supposed to take care of your parents, your grandparents, in whatever little way that you can. If your parents tell you to help you and help them in some work, you should help them. Your mother tells you to take care of the grandparents when they are away. When the parents go out, you have to take care of the grandparents, you have to look after them. So these are the things, these are the little ways in which you can help your parents. Now I'm going to read page number, Ronnie, good morning. Page number 32, page number 32, social studies book. रोनिक आपको बुक अपने आप ओपन करनी है, नॉट मम्मी. Page number 32, social studies. Now I'm going to read the lesson. Please pay attention, all of you. I'm reading the lesson. All of you pay attention. What parents do for us. Parents work hard for their family. They provide their children with all the things they need. Parents look after their children when they fall ill. Ill means sick. Parents work to earn money for their children. In some families, mothers
Good
also
morning,
earn money
ma'am.
by doing jobs. Children who have just joined, you are late for class, 5 minutes late for class. Just open your social studies book to page number 32 and follow. And make sure that you join the class on time. In some families, mothers also earn money by doing jobs. Parents teach their children good habits. Like the other day, I told you, your parents teach you a lot of good habits. Parents are your first teachers. आपके फर्स्ट टीचर्स आपके पेरेंट्स हैं, वो आपको सिखाते हैं क्या क्या करना है. निपुन, if you want to write, you can leave the meeting. You can leave the meeting, do all your writing work, and then join. Put your pencil down. Parents teach their children good habits. They give them good education. Parents work hard to keep their children happy. Why do the parents work hard? To keep the children happy. They want you to be happy. Adiraj, why do the parents work hard? Adiraj, switch on your mic immediately, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer the question that I asked you.
What question?
What question? This is the way you ask. You did not hear what I was saying because you were busy talking to somebody in the room. I told you children, when you're in the class, you have to pay attention. आपको ये नहीं सोचना है कि आप घर पे बैठे हैं तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. ये आपका क्लासरूम है, वर्चुअल क्लासरूम है. You have to be disciplined in the class. Parents, I request you to please move away from the child. Do not talk to the child during class. And if you want the teacher to repeat the question, you are supposed to say, "Ma'am, please repeat the question." You don't say, "What question?" Now sit straight and pay attention. Parents work hard to keep their children happy. Adhiraj, I had asked you, why do the parents work hard? So the parents work hard to keep their children happy. Come to page number 33. Put your finger there on the first line. Put your finger on the first line. Which one? Page 33. Mother cooks food for the family. She keeps the house clean. She does most of the household work. Your mother does most of the household work. घर की सफाई करना, घर में देखना कि सब कुछ प्रॉपर जगह पर रखा है, सब कुछ ठीक है, घर अच्छा लगना चाहिए. ये सब चीज़ें मम्मी ध्यान देती हैं घर में. मम्मी टेक्स केयर ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स. She nurses the members of the family when they fall ill. That is, she takes care of them. Nurses means she takes care of them. जब कोई घर में बीमार हो जाता है, when anyone falls ill, mummy takes care. She looks after every family member when they are sick. Then the next line says, father also attends to many household tasks for his family. Now task is the different work. The father also takes care of a lot of other tasks in the family. Your father must be bringing things from the market. Many a times he helps mother in her duties. Many times your father, you must have seen in the house, your father helping mummy. आप लोगों ने घर में देखा होगा ना, पापा मम्मी की हेल्प भी कराते हैं. घर में जब बहुत काम होता है, पापा मम्मी की हेल्प भी कराते हैं, ऑफिस भी जाते हैं, बाज़ार से सामान भी लाते हैं. सो बोथ द पेरेंट्स टुगेदर, मम्मी पापा दोनों मिलके घर का ध्यान रखते हैं, फैमिली की सारी नीड्स को पूरा करते हैं, सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ फॉलो करते हैं. दे मेक श्योर दे आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन एंड ऑल द मेम्बर्स ऑफ द फैमिली वेरी नाइसली. Now you have zone of assessment. What is grandma doing in the picture? Now look at that picture carefully. Amna, can you see the picture on page number 33?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you please tell me what is that grandma doing over there in the picture? She has a storybook in her hand and the
Yes,
grandchildren are
ma'am.
there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so what is the grandmother doing? Anyone else who wants to answer? You can raise your hand if you know the answer. You can raise your hand if you know the answer.
नहीं
If you know the answer, you can raise your hand.
Nothing telling a story. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am telling story.
All right. Is telling a story, right? Grandma is telling stories to the grandchildren. Grandchildren कौन होते हैं?
Story.
नाना नानी के,
Ma'am, story.
नाना नानी दादा दादी, उनके आप सब छोटे छोटे जो हैं, यू आर ऑल द ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन ऑफ योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, आप उन दादी बोलती है, नानी बोलती हैं मेरा नाती है, ये मेरी नातिन है, ये मेरा पोता है, ये मेरी पोतिन है. ओके, इन इंग्लिश वी से ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन. वी यूज द वर्ड ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन. We use the word grandchildren in English. So now you will take your pencil and you are going to write the answer. What is grandma doing in the picture? Grandma is reading stories to the grandchildren. I'm going to write it on the board and you are going to copy very neatly. Very neatly you will copy it. Grandma is reading children, are you writing? Aradhya, are you writing? Ayat, are you writing?
Me, ma'am.
Yes, Shivansh.
मैम इसके बाद क्या लिखना है?
Reading, READING.
Okay, ma'am.
READING. और छोटा छोटा लिखेंगे, उस लाइन पर पूरा नहीं आएगा तो उसके नीचे जो जगह बची है वहाँ लिखेंगे. Grandma is reading stories to the children. Grandma is reading stories to the grandchildren. I'm writing it here so that you can see. Grandma is reading stories to the grandchildren. Please write that and then put learn over there. You should know the answer to this question. Make sure you write there learn, LEARN. You can all see the board. Nipun, are you writing? Now when you are supposed to write, child, you are not writing. When you were supposed to pay attention, that time you were scribbling on the book. Nipun, have you written? Pick your book up, let me see. Nipun, have you written? Nipun,
Excuse me,
show me
ma'am.
your book. Yes, I am.
ये जो भी स्पेलिंग है उसके बाद क्या लिखा है?
Grandma is reading stories to the grandchildren. Okay, I will post the picture in the class group. Let's continue. See the amazing fact on the right hand side, the purple box. It says in a joint family, Grandparents love and take care of their grandchildren. They tell their grandchildren interesting stories. Grandparents tell you stories. Then it says, what should you as children do? What should you as children do? You must obey your parents. You should respect them. You should love them. You should try to help them in laying the table, watering the plants, etc. You all must share work at home. Now, if you remember, we have done a lesson in science where you have studied all this, how you can help your parents. अगर आपको याद है हम लोग ने ये सब करा है ऑलरेडी, किस तरह से आप पेरेंट्स की हेल्प कर सकते हैं बाय लेइंग द टेबल, वाटरिंग द प्लांट्स. अगर मम्मी कोई छोटा छोटा काम बताती है तो वो करा जाता है, मम्मी की हेल्प करते हैं. यस, ओके. नाउ टर्न द पेज, come to page 34. It says keep in mind. Parents, now look here, what you have to keep in mind. क्या चीज़ें आपको ध्यान में रखनी है, याद रखना है. Parents work for the family. Parents look after the children and the house. Children should also help their parents. Parents are doing their part of the job. They are taking care of all the responsibilities. You as children also have some responsibilities. आपको भी अपने पेरेंट्स की हेल्प करनी है, अपना काम आपको करना है. Right? Now it says tick the correct option. Exercise A, come to exercise A. Parents work hard for their family or friends. Parents work hard for their family or friends. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Yes, Shivansh?
Ma'am, family.
Okay, parents work hard for the
Ma'am,
family.
family.
So put a tick on family. Put a tick on family. Put a tick on family. Next, mother keeps the house clean or dirty? Mother keeps the house clean or dirty? Hassan?
Ma'am,
Hassan?
ma'am, clean.
Hassan?
Ma'am, clean.
Hassan, I said.
Ma'am, clean.
Yes, Hassan? Okay. The answer has already been given by 2-3 children. Hassan has some network problem, I think. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Have you put a tick over there? Give me a thumbs up when you finish. Alright. Next, number 3. Children should or should not help their parents. Children should or should not help their parents. Prashasti?
Ma'am, should.
Should.
Ma'am, should.
Okay, so put a tick on should. Put a tick on should. S-H-O-U-L-D. Next, children should love, respect, or both their parents. Which one? Which one? Yes, the last one. Children should love, respect, or both. Children should love their parents, they should respect their parents, or both. Okay, both. Both means दोनों. Children को अपने मम्मी पापा को love भी करना है, respect भी करना है. Love भी करना है, respect भी करना है. So put a tick on both. B-O-T-H, both. Have you put a tick on both? B-O-T-H, both. Give me a thumbs up. Alright. Now put over there learn. L-E-A-R-N, learn. Now come to exercise C, which says fill in the blanks. Dash work hard for the family. dash work hard for the family. Arham, who works hard for the family?
My parents.
Parents. Very good. So number one, put over there, parents. Right over there, parents. Nipul, number two, parents work to earn dash. Parents work to earn dash. What do they earn when they work? Parents ऑफिस जाते हैं, काम करते हैं. So what do they earn? Yes. Yes, Ronik? They earn money. Parents work to earn money. Parents work to earn money. MONEY. Next, number three. Dash does most of the household work. Hardik? Hardik, number three.
Mother.
Dash does most of the household work.
Mother.
Inaya, stop shouting.
Mother.
Mother. Right over there. Mother. Next, number four. Dash should also help their parents. Arav? Dash should also help their parents. Arav Maurya. Arav Maurya. Number four. Number four. Dash should also help their parents. Who should help their parents?
My children.
Children. Very good. Children should also help their parents. Right over there, children. 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 Nipun is only yawning over there. He's not doing his work. What's happened, Nipun? The last one. Dash take care of their grandchildren. Grandparents. Number five. Number five. Grandparents. Number five. Grandparents. Now listen carefully. Next period you are going to have maths today. Next period you are going to do maths. Alright? Now quickly answer. Give me your attendance. Nipun is feeling very sleepy today.
मैम नंबर 5 में आपने क्या लिखा है?
Grandparents.
Grandparents.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Alright. Now give me your attendance. Anya Nigam. Arav Maurya. Arav Nigam.
Present, ma'am.
Ayat Momina Haider.
Present, ma'am.
Adhiraj Agarwal.
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
Anay Mishra. Ansh Francis.
Present, ma'am.
Ansh Francis. Aradhya Srivastav.
Present, ma'am.
Fatima Rizvi. Christopher Massey. Hardik
Present,
Gupta.
ma'am.
Hardik Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Hayat Khan. Inaya Khan.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Ishanvi Singh. Ishanvi. Who has joined from Chandan Singh's ID? Who is there from Chandan Singh's ID? Children, you have to answer quickly. Hriday Singh. Rishita Sumani, Mahira, Manjeet,
Kevin ma'am.
Meher, Arham,
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Mustafa, Mohammad Hassan,
Present ma'am.
Nipongiri, Omansh,
Present ma'am.
Pranjali, Prashasti,
Ma'am. Present
Ronik.
ma'am. Present.
Pranjali Singh, from so long I'm asking who has joined from Chandan Singh ID, you're not telling me. Rudraksh, Sakina, Sanvi, Shivansh,
Present ma'am.
Shubh
Excuse me
Gautam,
ma'am.
Shubh Gautam.
Excuse me ma'am. Present ma'am. Excuse me ma'am.
Yes, Riya, marked you.
मैम आपने मेरे नाम के अटेंडेंस नहीं
I
लिया।
have taken Riya, Ali
Excuse me
Altamash,
ma'am.
Wali Abbas. Ronik, I've marked you present. I took your name. Vaishnavi,
मैम मेरा वाला
Vihan, Vijwal, Vinayak, Amna,
प्रिंट मैम।